Accents, because the last time somebody broke their nose, somebody lost an eye, and somebody lost an eyelash when we done this. So be careful. Yes, I'm sure. So we don't slap the rap is. These are the raps. Rock, paper, scissors, you get it wrong. The other person smacks you in the face with a rap. Right then. This is what the kids love. Don't tell me now I'm beating up the kids. It's the kid on the kids, okay? Right then. And we'll get the grown-ups to do it as well. Will that be cool? Who wants to see a grown-up slapping another grown-up? That's what I want. That's what I want. See? That's what I want on a Sunday. Right then. Are you ready? You texting, innit? She texting. Right then. Who texting? Nobody. But you're going for it. There's a lot of letters there. Now, I can see what she just wrote. She can't spell because she just texted her boyfriend little and there's one T missing. Right then, are you ready kids? Let's go back to the dancing. She's thinking about what she's actually I just said. Are you ready? So this one, we're going to do one dance and then we're going to play slap with a rap, okay? And I think we're going to do this one. It is called Shotgun. Are you ready for Shotgun? I've been riding underneath her, feeling like a... Let's do Shotgun. Let's find out who's the best dancer. Best dancer's gonna get the strawberry flavored snake. Who's getting the strawberry flavored snake? Let's find out. Are you ready? Steady. I've been riding shotgun. Alligators. Everybody, let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. Everybody, I can get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. Shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Go, go, I'll be riding shotgun. Oh yes, you coming up here tonight now. You say, time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm singing on. One hand, one leg. Shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Go, go, I'll be riding. How many in the front? Two in the front. Hey, two in the back. You say, time goes by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. One hand, one leg. Shotgun, hot sun, someone. Go, I'll be riding. Go, go, go. I'll be riding. Feeling like a... I'll be riding. I'll be riding underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Let me stop that. Who's the best dancer?